You've seen that in time lapse? It's really good, isn't it? What's that I've been doing? If I was supposed to say a real race, I'll probably lose. Basically, maybe if I get like 30 subs, so I think if it like give me like 24 subs. If not, if it was not really good, well, sorry about that. My car was just doing the site. I'll be back in a wee sec. You see it? I'll be back in 2 ticks. Guys, we're back again. There we go. Basically, that's what we're trying to do a trick with these. This here. I'll just go through. If you write down a color, or I should call it spaghetti for I don't know what you call it. Guys, I got a question for you to stay through this. What kind of RC cars do you have? Because I have like this car, the BMW car, and others. Just gonna try and do 50 laps around. I do C, there we go, and F. There's an F. Right. I don't know what kind of that dog is. It's a Minter Schnauzer. A really lovely dog. I don't know if he's so cute. I need a trick here. And that's my trick. And there first. I'm waiting so long, haven't I? Alright. Right. See you again. I'm back in T-Tex again. See you. And I'm back again. Right. You know what I got this rock for? See, like, this is gonna be a test, see if he can climb up. Let's see if we can. Well, he flipped over. I'll be back in 2 days. Hey guys, I got another car called the BMW, and well, now I changed the name to the GoPro Mobile, as you see here. And let's see if it can climb over this hill. As you see the last video, it did one. I haven't seen it in a really long time. I just need to fix some real on it. I'll be back. Sorry. Right that, guys? Just need to fix something on it. Just the wheels a bit bumpy. Hey. Alright, find the bump. Sorry guys if you have to wait. Just fixing the car. Then we should rock and roll. Go back. Right, sorry about that if I kept you waiting. Alright, here's the car. Daddy Tips. Just give me a wee second, I'll be back. Alright, have this. I don't know what's wrong with this. Well guys, looks like I have to end it here, so subscribe to me and like it, and hopefully you enjoy this video. Hope I get 1 million subs, and just give me 30 subs. So hope you enjoy this, guys. Like down the, leave a like, leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys. See you next time. See ya. Bye.